A few years ago, I was just like you, dreaming of studying abroad, but wondering how on earth can I afford it? Well, I took a leap, applied to several fully funded scholarships, and not only won a fully funded scholarship for my master's in Germany, but today I am on a fully funded PhD program. Along the way, I built a YouTube channel with nearly 100k subscribers, and last year alone I helped over 50 students secure scholarships to study in USA, Canada, Germany and beyond. And now I want to help you do the same. This is why I have created the Scholarship Success Pro. It is a step-by-step system that shows you exactly how to find, apply and win fully funded scholarships so that you can study abroad without worrying about the cost. When you get the Scholarship Success Pro course, you also gain free access to the Scholarship Success Pro community, where you're going to get monthly live Zoom calls, opportunities for free document review by myself and my team, and you also get first-hand access to all my videos. You can find all the benefits to the course and the community below. If you have been waiting for the right time, then this is it. Click the link below to get the course and let's make your study abroad dream a reality.